Hello everyone, I am Vinanti Majukar and today I am going to discuss on the topic relation of partners to third parties. Let us first understand who is the third person in partnership. A partner is an agent of partnership. When a partner has the apparent or actual authority and acts on behalf of the business, the partner binds the partnership and each of the partners for the resulting obligation. Similarly, a partner's admission concerning the partnership affairs is considered an admission of partnership. A partner may only bind the partnership, however, if the partner has the authority to do so and undertake transactions while conducting the usual partnership business. If a third person, however, knows that the partner is not authorized to act on behalf of the partnership is generally not liable for the partner's unauthorized act. Moreover, a partnership is not responsible for a partner's wrongful act or omission committed after the dissolution of the partnership. A partner who is new to the partnership is not liable for the obligation of the partnership that occurred prior to the partner's admission. Now, let us discuss relation of partners to third parties. Every partner is the agent of the firm for the purpose of business of the firm. Section 18. He acts on behalf of the firm and binds the firm provided a. He does the act of carrying on in the usual way business of kind carried on by the firm. B. The act is done in the name of the firm. Authority of a partner. The authority of partner means the capacity of partner to bind the firm by his act. This authority may be expressed or implied. Where the authority to a partner to act is expressly conferred by an agreement, it is called express authority. The act of a partner is done to carry on in the usual way business of kind carried on by the firm binds the firm. Section 19, subsection 1. This authority of a partner to bind the firm is called his implied authority. Implied authority of partner. It flows from legal relation of a partner and is founded on the principle of agency. It is subject to the following conditions. First, the act done by the partner must relate to the normal or usual business of the firm. If, for example, a partner of a firm dealing in books places an order for a certain quantity of wine in the name of the firm would not be liable. Let me give you another example. Suppose A and B carry on business in partnership as banker. A sum of money is received by A on behalf of the firm. B does not know of the receipt. A appropriates the money to his own use. The partnership is liable to make good of the money because receipts of money by A is in the usual course of business. Second, the act must be such as done within the scope of the business of the firm in the usual way. It is difficult to lay down foolproof rules as to what the usual way of carrying on business is. It will depend on the nature and circumstances of each particular case. Let me give you an example. Suppose a partner in a firm of solicitor borrows the money and executes a promissory note in the name of the firm without authority. The other partners are not liable on the note, for it is not part of the ordinary business of solicitor to draw, accept, or endorse negotiable instruments. Third, the act must be done in the name of the firm or in any manners expressing or implying an intention to bind the firm. Section 22. For example, A and B are partners. A, with the intention of cheating B, goes to a shop and purchases certain articles on behalf of the firm, such as might be used in the ordinary course of partnership business, and converts them to his private use, there being no collusion between him and the seller. The firm is liable for the price of the goods. Implied authority and third party. First, extension and restriction of a partner's implied authority. Section 20. The partners in a firm may, by contract between them, extend or restrict the implied authority of any partner. So far as a third party is concerned, the firm continues to be liable to him for any such act which falls within the scope of the implied authority. Second, effect of admission by a partner. Section 23. Where a partner makes any admission or representation concerning the affairs of the firm, it is sufficient evidence against the firm provided the admission or representation is made in the ordinary course of business. This follows from the general rule that the partners are agents of each other for the purpose of carrying on the business. But if the admission or representation is made by a partner beyond the scope of his authority, the firm will not be bound by it. Third, effect of notice to an acting partner. Section 24. Notice to a partner who habitually acts in the course of the business of the firm of any matter relating to the affairs of the firm operates as notice to the firm except in the case of fraud on the firm committed by or with the consent of that partner. Fourth, liability of a partner for acts of the firm. Section 25. Every partner is liable jointly with all the other partners and also severally for all acts of the firm done while he is a partner. The significance of joint and several liability is that for every act of the firm, a partner can be sued individually and also jointly with other partners. Fifth, the liability of the firm for wrongful acts of a partner. Section 26. Where by the wrongful act or omission of a partner acting in the ordinary course of business of the firm or with the authority of his partners, loss or injury is caused to any third party or any penalty is incurred, the firm is liable, therefore, to the extent of the partner. Sixth, liability of firm for misapplication. Section 27. A firm is liable to make good the loss where a. A partner acting within the scope of his apparent authority receives money or property from a third party or misapplies, or b. The firm, in the course of its business, receives money or property from a third party and the same is applied by any of the partner while it is in the custody of the firm. So, this is all about relation of partners to third parties in partnership business. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for more updates.